Hello everyone and welcome to March, which means the stable release of GameMaker version 2022.2 and another release roundup from me. Text layers can be added to sequences. There's an official clip from Yo-Yo's technical writer, Matharu, which demonstrates how you can use this to animate text in sequences now. A quick visual way to do something we've been generally hard coding for a long time, so good stuff. Array copy on write behavior can now be toggled off. Dragonite Spam did a good video about this when it entered the beta, so watch that if you want more information, but in short, when you send an array to a function via an argument in GameMaker, the array actually gets copied into that function, and any changes you make to that array you passed are actually made to the copy. So unless you explicitly returned the copied array into the original variable, or used the special @symbol accessor that allowed you to target the original array will be left unchanged after the function ends and the copy is discarded from memory. This was pretty confusing for a lot of people. So now we have the power to turn this behavior off and pass arrays by reference instead. Since people have obviously become accustomed to this old behavior over time and code will have been written that relies upon it, the toggle defaults to the old behavior. Really, you can work either way with this as long as you know how your preferred style works, but it's nice to have the option to change this. CSS values for colors. So you can now type CSS format colors directly into GML code. You've always been able to specify precise colors in GML by using a $ symbol followed by alpha, blue, green, red values. But now you can use the more widely known standard of #RRGGBB values. Keep in mind that these do get converted back to ABGR values at runtime, and this is really just a convenience change, allowing you to quickly place colors derived from CSS color pickers, etc. into your code. Steamworks settings are now based in an extension rather than tied to your project settings and game options. It seems like the Steamworks functionality was previously a bit too hard-coded and was getting in the way, so has been refactored into an extension. All the code, as far as I know, remains the same. You just need to get the extension from the marketplace now and set it up appropriately instead of how you used to enable it. Video playback functions have been added to the beta. This is something a lot of people have wanted for a long time and was secretly weaved into certain console exports as a quick fix for certain high-profile game releases. But finally, this functionality has been expanded, so it is coming to all users on all target platforms. Again, this is only available in beta for now. It is unclear what version is being targeted for its final release. Speaking of which, Feather is still in beta. One of the most exciting things about the last release was the addition of the new IntelliSense Feather to the GameMaker beta. Sadly, it remains in beta, but I'm glad time is being taken to make this new tool as solid as possible. If you find my videos helpful or think they're important, you should know they only exist because I have supporters on patreon.com that make that a reality. You can become one of them today to get access to my videos early, get blanket access to source code releases, naming credits, etc. Mostly though, you help me continue to do what I do. Cheers guys, catch you all next time.